Hey, so it's Sunday morning. Last night was a rough night. I've been having the hiccups since Wednesday night. Hiccups started just like normal hiccups, like you're used to, where you hear the hiccup. And 24 hours in, it changed to like a double hiccup, almost following my heartbeat. So the hiccup that you hear, and then a second hiccup, a little bit smaller right after. Well, by late Friday, it became three hiccups at a time. And by yesterday, Saturday, it would be as many as 6 hiccups. So it was like the first hiccup you hear, and then after that, there's multiple little hiccups or spasms, if you will. And you can really hear it when I talk. Otherwise, it's pretty silent. So if I happen to be in the middle of a word, the thought process still continues, and the words still keep trying to come out. You can kind of hear the pattern of the silent spasms in the diaphragm. So I figured I would come on here and let you guys know I'm going to live, but it's extremely uncomfortable. My throat is raw, just from the thousands, tens of thousands of hiccups I've had to endure. So the reality is, I kind of changed my diet extreme, which a lot of people do. New Year's, right? I definitely indulge between Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then late December, I decided to cut out all carbs. No beer, no bread. I cut out all dairy, no more yogurt, something I enjoyed almost every day. No milk or anything like that. And it turns out, along with my workout regimen, which is pretty extreme, I managed to dehydrate myself at the wrong time, and somehow I have an impaction in my transverse colon, which interestingly enough apparently is pushing up on my diaphragm, which is what's causing the hiccups. So anyway, I tell you this in case anything like this happens to you guys. And basically it's basically constipation, just in a more uncommon part than normal. So I haven't eaten in over 24 hours, and it's a little bit better this morning, but Saturday was the worst, and I've been averaging about 3 hours of sleep a night since Wednesday, so I'm pretty beat. Anyway, guys, it's gonna suck having to shovel snow like this, but enjoy the storm, people. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.